G'day, it's the Adelaide Old Fart, and I'm going to have a whinge. Our beloved gumbyment decided to build a freeway from the end of South Road up north, which is really nice because Port Wakefield Road is extremely heavily used, and they thought, well, they'll turn it into a freeway, which is good. So it solves all sorts of traffic problems. Trouble is, when they made the rotten thing, they surfaced it with concrete, or made it with concrete, and it's grooved, and the grooves run in the same direction that you're travelling. Does this help with drainage like the media likes to claim? No, it bloody doesn't, obviously. But the big problem for people on motorcycles is your front wheel likes to follow the little grooves, and so you're riding along and your bike's wiggling like a happy little puppy. Not that it's dangerous or scary or anything, you get used to it fairly quickly, but for heaven's sake, when you're gonna make a road, make it for all users, not just the motor cars. End of rant.